Lawmakers in North Carolina are heading back to work this week, and while the session happens in Raleigh, it's going to impact a lot of areas, and it's definitely going to be felt right here in Charlotte. WCNC Charlotte's Bria Smith brings us up to speed on what you can expect.
Tuesday, the North Carolina General Assembly gavels back in for its 2026 short session, where topping the agenda is a long overdue state budget.
Many of you know that North Carolina is the only state in the United States that did not pass a full budget last year. But you may not know that the state has not passed a full budget in 2.5 years. A growing, thriving state like North Carolina cannot just limp along.
The budget directly impacts fast-growing cities like Charlotte, including funding for road projects, public transit, and classroom resources in Charlotte-Mecklenburg schools, with teacher pay being one of the major issues. With Charlotte's population boom, leaders are also working for potential state action on property taxes, especially as affordability concerns continue to rise across the Mecklenburg County. This month, a House committee advanced a proposed amendment to the state constitution that would restrict the ability of local governments to decide their own property taxes. Mecklenburg County leaders warn that could limit local governments.
When they're talking about caps and these blanket policies and this one-size-fits-all approach and not this targeted approach, it is not something that we can support here locally. We care about our residents first.
Healthcare funding will also be a major point of debate. The State Department of Health and Human Services say they expect the Medicaid program to run out of money next month and have requested for more than $300 million to keep it running. While short sessions are designed to wrap by early summer, major disagreements, especially over spending, could keep lawmakers in Raleigh longer. With elections just months away, the outcomes of this session could carry major political weight, especially in Mecklenburg County, one of the state's most influential voting regions. In Charlotte, Bria Smith, WCNC Charlotte.